Hello, Constantino the broker here at my open house. These beautiful pavers. I'm at my open house here. As you can see, my open house. Beautiful house. Beautiful pavers. Should sell in about 2 months, 2 to 3 months. So going on a month and some change. Really nice neighborhood here in Mandarin Station. Really nice house here, Mandarin Station. What is that, a woodpecker? Where is he? Oh, there he is. Oh, wow. He's just drilling away. Very inches. 2-car garage, as you can see. Driveway for like 4 cars. It's got a driveway for like 4 cars here. Oh, there's that. There's a propane gas and an ATV here. Great. There's a propane gas and an ATV on the side of the house. So I'm here in Mandarin. If you guys want to stop by, you guys are more than welcome to. And there's a woodpecker somewhere in here.